Hi friends, this is Adeline. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy kadai chicken. For this recipe we need 500 grams of chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 potato cut into cubes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 big chopped onion, few slit green chili, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, some chopped cilantro, 1 bell pepper cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/8 tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of cumin seeds and mustard seeds, some butter, salt as per taste, 1 cinnamon sticks, few cloves and few cardamom seeds, and of course some water. First heat a pan on medium flame, then add some oil and butter. Now add garam masala, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Saute it for half minute. Now add ginger garlic paste. Cook it for 1 minute. Now add green chili. Saute it for half minute. Now add onions. And cook it until onions become brown color. My onions became brown. Now add potatoes. And cook it for 3 more minutes. Add tomatoes and cilantro into it. Cook it for 5 minutes. Now add chicken. If you have time, you can marinate chicken for 30 minutes with red chili powder, turmeric powder and some salt. But today I don't have time, that's why I have added chicken directly. And add all dry spices, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric, black pepper and salt. And for this curry it requires more salt because we have added potatoes. You know, potatoes love salt, so it takes more salt. And mix well. Then add little bit of water and place a lid. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, looks great. After 15 minutes, my chicken cooked 80%. Now I'm gonna add bell pepper. Mix it. Finally, adjust the salt as per your taste. So good. And again cover with lid and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Wow! Now our delicious kadai chicken is ready. I'm gonna turn off the flame. And you can serve with rice, chapati, dosa or naan. I know this is very delicious curry. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.